Flared2 and Glared are now available on Blender Market at a 30% discount in their most updated versions. Use the coupon codes FlaredNow and GlaredNow, which you can find in the video description, to get the instant discount. The promotion is active between Christmas and New Year's, so don't miss out. Flared2 is the world's best-selling add-on for creating real-time lens flares in Blender. Easy to use, highly performant, and continuously updated. Thanks to its structure, lens flares interact with the scene even when they move out of the camera's visibility. Glared, on the other hand, produces light effects using the luminous values present within your scene, in real time, with highly satisfying results. Both add-ons significantly enhance the realism and drama of your scenes and animations, boasting excellent 5-star ratings on Blender Market. They have been a guarantee of quality for years. Visit blendermarket.com, enter the promo code before checkout, and you're all set. Blender will never be the same. Cheers!